It has been such a sunny day and it is a gorgeous evening. And we're just about to start doing a barbecue.
We're currently in our new garden, so this is our first barbecue.
Yes.
In the garden. And yeah, we thought we'd show you some recipes, things that we like to cook for barbecues, but today we're doing it like a little bit different. Not going for like your classic barbecue flavours, more of that like Middle Eastern kind of vibe.
Yeah, like bringing you a barbecue that's like just a little bit different to what we usually have here in the UK anyway. This is basically everything that we've got here for the barbecue. We're going to kind of do the main sort of barbecue thing are these meatless Farmco chicken breasts
And aubergine.
And the aubergine. The chicken breast is going to be done in a bit of a spice rub.
We're going to do our spice rub first, so it gives a bit of time for those lovely spices and herbs to kind of marinate a little bit on our vegan chicken, and then we're going to prep our veggies, so trying to get as much flavour as we can out of those spices.
For the peppers, what we're going to do is kind of just cut them in half really simply and put them down straight onto the grill so they start to char. I've got a little tip for removing these green stems from the peppers. What you're going to want to do is just take your thumbs, push it in, just like that, and then as you break the pepper apart, you can really easily just pull all of the seeds and the stem out, just like that. So the aubergine we're going to just, again, simply cut in half, and then we're going to score the flesh and do a nice sort of like oil and simple spice rub, so much less than what we put on the vegan chicken.
I'm thinking the ducker.
Yeah,
Spice.
I think we'll probably go with like a ducker spiced aubergine steak kind of thing for this. We were a bit slow on the filming, so accidentally let the olive oil soak into the aubergine, which is something you should be careful of. You need to move quite quickly. So I think we're going to put a bit more olive oil on these two. Look at that. Oh, they already look delicious. What am I doing? I want them skin side down. While we wait, we've got some snacks. We've got chili heatwave Doritos, which are a classic in our house. We've got some caramelized onion hummus from Asda.
I'm currently making us some apple spritz in a spritz coloured beaker. This is Charlie's child-friendly plastic beaker because we've eaten out in the garden twice, and both times he has smashed bowls, plates, and glasses from our house.
I am.
I'm holding this like that.
I am officially dyspraxic, so I think I've got an excuse.
Yeah, but now it's plastic only for Charlie outside.
Yeah.
But I'm a grown-up, and I get glasses.
I'm a grown-up too. How dare you? How's the Aperol?
Needs a bit of orange though. I couldn't be bothered. So good.
We've got some dried sour cherries and some cranberries that we're going to mix into the bulgur wheat, which is currently going, and some toasted almonds as well.
A little bit stuck.
Just a little bit.
You said girls can't be in charge of barbecue.
Absolute grill master over here.
Ooh, mama.
What do you reckon, Freya?
I think it was amazing. I've got enough here for sandwiches tomorrow as well.
Time to eat. We're going to keep that simple and go back in for something else after?
Yeah.
Nice.
I want to like chop it with a knife and fork as well.
Or like a pizza.
It's so nice to be able to eat outside in our own garden. Like, such a novelty. Like before, we would always be like going to a park or something, which is still really nice. But when you want to make like a dinner like that, it's kind of not that easy to go to a park and eat food like this. You kind of have to make like picnic food.
Got to take everything in Tupperwares, basically.
Yeah, and it's a big old faff. I remember doing it and like, have we got this? Have we got the knife? Have we got the chopping board? Have we got the thing? Have we got glasses? Like,
It's all just working really well together. We've got the spices on the chicken and the creamy creme fraiche, some sweet red pepper, and of course, lovely salad to go with it. And yeah,
it freshens it up. That it's like a tabbouleh.
exactly. I think it's the mint in it as well that really gives like a
lemon.
I think the only thing that I would add to this is some kind of like pickled element. Like maybe we should have pickled the red onion instead of barbecuing it as well. Got a bit barbecue happy.
Yeah.
But hey, it's it's still incredible and delicious.
It
And
needs a tang.
it could do with a little tang. Maybe just a bit of lemon on the top afterwards.
This salad is so good.
We bought the sour cherries for one of our jobs, and I'm really glad we did because they were hard to find, but they are incredible.
It's like the perfect level of tang.
Yeah, I'd say if you try anything from this video, any of our barbecue bits that we've recommended, that bulgur wheat salad, that and the mushrooms.
It's not even the barbecued item. I'd say the mushrooms and the salad are the two like best bits. The vegan chicken was really nice, but we tasted the rub before we did it, and it was delicious. And then as soon as we put it onto the chicken and onto the grill, it didn't really translate. I think a lot of it got stuck on the grill, to be honest. We didn't fancy scraping.
I'd put that down to the grill master.
I was not in charge of chicken, was I?
You were the grill master. Otherwise, all compliments to the grill master.
We both were the grill master. Grill master.
Everybody is a grill master.
Gesture.
Our eyes were clearly bigger than our stomachs. We have basically the entire aubergine left, a whole pepper, basically. Two peppers and a good bit of mushrooms.
Loads of hummus.
And a couple of flatbreads, which isn't food waste. It's actually ideal lunch for tomorrow. Food prep. Meal prep.
Check.
Check.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some good ideas for your next barbecue. Barbecue season is officially here. Summer is on the horizon and so nice.
Yes, we are now going to just spend the rest of the evening hanging out, maybe having another Aperol spritz as the sun goes down. But don't worry, there's plenty more vegan content on our channel for you guys to enjoy.
And more barbecue recipes.
And more barbecue.
Summer. So we'll link all those here and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Look at that gorgeous, it's going to be such a nice sunset. Hey, what's your name? Hey.